This is Factorials for Beginners Part 2, which continues directly from Part 1. Now let's get on to today's lesson. I'm going to pretend there are 10 people in front of us. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to call them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. We can pretend it's the first letters of their names, such as that's David and that's Eric, etc. We want to put them in a line and we want to work out how many orders, but there are just two restrictions. A, B, C have to be together. It could be any order like BAC or CBA, and D, E, F, G must be together. Also in any order, it could be F, E, D, G, etc. So what I do is I treat A, B, C as one concept and D, E, F, G as another concept. So seeing that I use the word concept, we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, and I, and J. So we've got 5 factorial ways of ordering the concepts. Okay, so that's just one order I picked at random. There's H, there's A, B, C in one order, then I, then J, and D, E, F, G in some order. That's one of the many possibilities. So the 5 concepts is 5 factorial. Now we have to take into account there are many ways of ordering A, B, C, and there's many ways of ordering D, E, F, G. A, B, C, there's 3 factorial ways. D, E, F, G, there's 4 factorial ways. So for any one of the possibilities of the 5 concepts, that's one of them. 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24. For every one of the 6, there's another 24 different ways. Because for any one of these possibilities, there's 3 factorial ways of doing this. And for every one of the 3 factorial, there's 4 factorial ways of doing that. So the answer is 5 factorial because of the 5 concepts, what's what I call them, times 3 factorial because of the 3 ways of ordering the ABC, times 4 factorial because of the ways of ordering D, E, F, G. And 5 factorial is 120, 3 factorial is 6, and 4 factorial is 24. We multiply together, we get 17,280. And of course, depending how you're comfortable or your calculator, you can simply punch in 5 factorial times 3 factorial times 4 factorial, or you can multiply out these numbers.